Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome to the 7th session of our initiation. This week, you are going to learn about making and responding to an appointment as well as giving an explanation in English. You can find this week's topic in Module 8 and Module 9. Each module consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to identify the expression used to make or respond to an appointment, explanation, negotiation, and draw a conclusion in a meeting. Please study the material and enrichment links below. Afterward, please participate in discussion forum 7 and do the assignment 3. Please do all assignments well, consider originality, and avoid plagiarism. Thank you. Good luck.